Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will learn about the direction angle of a vector. Now, it is the angle from 0 degree to 360 degree starting at position x-axis going to the vector. Now, here in the graph, we know that we have the four quadrants, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So, it is the angle starting from the 0 degree in the x-axis. So, this is the positive x-axis. It is starting from the 0 degree up till the vector. So this will be the direction angle. Now here, let's suppose we have the vector A and its coordinates are 3 and 5. Now here in the graph we have 3 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. So we can apply the tangent formula for finding out this angle. We know that tangent theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So here the perpendicular in this case is 5 and the base is 3. So tangent theta equal to perpendicular upon base equal to 5 over 3. So theta equal to tangent inverse 5 over 3. So after calculating, the answer will be 59.036 and theta equal to 59 degree. Now here this one is a little bit different. The coordinates of vector A are minus 4 and 6. So minus 4, it means on the negative side of the x-axis. So minus 4 and 6, positive 6 on the y-axis. So we can draw the diagram in this way. Remember, this is minus 4 over here, but we cannot write minus 4 over here because this is only showing the side. So we will write plus 4. So again, tangent theta equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 6 and the base is 4. So theta equal to tangent inverse 6 over 4 and the answer will be 56.3 degree. But remember, this is not the direction angle because this is the angle inside this one, 56.3 degree, and the direction angle will be from the x-axis up till here to this vector. So we know that this is the 90 degree up till here and this one is also 90 degree up till here. So total 90 plus 90, that will be 180 degree. So 180 degree minus this one angle. So 180 degree minus 56.3 degree and the answer will be 123.7 degree. So this one will be the direction angle. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.